Welcome to another Smiling Colors video, friends. Today I'm unboxing some Mr. Pen pens that are aesthetically colored, so let's see how they look. So I have a set of highlighters here. These are 8 highlighters in such pretty colors. I also bought a set of pens. These also looked very different than everything that I own, so let's start with the pens today. So this set comes with 10 colors. I love the unique shape of the pens. They are square shaped and they have this golden color cap that is so beautiful. The square shape means that it doesn't roll off on your workspace, which I think is so smart. I also like the gold. I'm very into gold right now. I don't have any pens that have so much gold in them. The inside of the pens are ballpoint tipped and I like the way the colors of these are so unique. So I tested these out in my notebook and the color of the ink is pretty close to the color on the barrel. They're not an exact match, but they're close enough. They're a pretty good estimate. I also like that this is a ballpoint pen and it writes really nicely. It doesn't skip. I thought the colors included in the set were really fun. You can buy different color combinations. They have a couple of sets and I'll link all of these down in the description box below so you can pick and choose which one works best for you. Okay, now let's open the highlighter set. There are 8 colors included. All of these have such a beautiful color range. Not only that, the packaging, the ergonomic design is really nice. You can hold them easily in your hand. And the chisel tip is pretty nice to use as well. For this set, I found that the colors matched the barrel color pretty nicely, except for one of the pink ones that kind of turned out yellow. The ink was a little different than what the barrel of the marker was, but otherwise, these highlighters are such a unique color set. I really love them. Something that is really cute about this highlighter set is this cap. The pen cap has a spring, so when you open it, the heart kind of pops down, and when you click it back in place, the heart pops back up, which is so cute. So there you have it, friends. I unboxed 2 sets of pens and highlighters today. Very different color palette than my normal rainbows. These are more modern and aesthetically pleasing colors. So let me know in the comments below what you think of these, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, thank you for spending some crafty time with me today.